Hi, everybody. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use the Screencastify app, how to actually make your own Screencastify. What you should be able to see here is the first thing I'm showing you. I'm hoping that you guys can actually see this. This is actually the second slide. When you click up here on your Screencastify, pops open. I did this so that it makes it easier for you to see. I'm hoping it does actually make it easier, not more difficult. This little thing drops down. I can't open it while I'm recording because it actually will stop the recording. So what you do is the first thing you want to make sure is that the microphone is on. You want to make sure embed webcam is on. You want to select your entire desktop and then you click record. Now it doesn't record right away because it wants to make sure. So wait, what is it on your desktop you want to record? You so glad you wanted to know because guess what? I have another image for you. The next thing that'll pop up then is what is it you're recording? Share your screen. So you select it. You literally have to click onto that and then you click this right here where it says share. When you do that, you're going to get a 3, 2, 1 countdown. It's not a numerical countdown, but you hear ding, 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 ping, and now you are automatically recording. And all you see is this thing, and then it'll tell you stop sharing. It'll stop right away. But if you also go back up to the Screencastify up here, look, it says your desktop is being recorded. I can pause. Notice I hit pause. Pause, 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 saying anything else. Notice my speech jumped because I was actually saying something different there for you in a minute. But anyway, I can stop, I could trash it, I can back up a little bit. These are your tools up here. But since you're recording your desktop, anything that shows up like this will show up in the recording also. All right, but when you're done, you literally click stop sharing and it will stop. So that's how you do a Screencastify.